Color grading has never been easier, and today I'm going to be showing you how you can create this black tone look like this, or this, just using Lightroom. And I'm going to start right now. Right guys, so the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open Lightroom, and today this is the photo we're going to be working on, and you can find the link in the description. So what we want to do firstly is we want to go ahead and increase the contrast. So we're going to increase it by 20. We're going to drop the highlights by 25, and we're going to increase the shadows by 25. Then we're going to leave the rest alone, and we're just going to go to the vibrant slider, and we're going to go ahead and increase that by 30, and you'll see why later on. So once we've closed that, we're actually going to skip the tone curve, and we're going to go straight to the Hsl Adjustment. So what we want to do is firstly go over to our hue slider, and what we want to do is to go to the red slider, and we want to go ahead and increase that by 15. We're going to go to the orange slider, and then we're going to go ahead and increase that by 10. And we're going to go to the yellow slider, and we're going to increase that by 5. So what we're going to do is go from hue, I'm going to go ahead and click saturation. Now I like increasing in saturation in the reds, so we're going to increase those by 25. Then we're also going to go to the orange. Again, we're going to increase that by 10. And yellow, we're going to completely remove. Then green, we're also going to completely remove. Aqua, we're going to completely remove, or dropping them down to -100. Blue, we're going to do the same. Purple, we're going to do the same. And magenta, we are going to be doing the same. So what we're going to do is the last step we're going to do is we're going to go ahead over to the luminance sliders. Now we're going to increase the brightness of the red. We're also going to increase the brightness of the orange. And then what we're going to do is with the yellow, we're going to drop that by -25. And it's the same for the rest of the colors. Now this is an optional stage, but what I also like doing is adding in a post-crop vignette. So what we're going to do is we're going to drop down from the Hsl color all the way down to effects. We're going to open up that tab. We're going to go to the post-crop vignetting slider. I'm going to go ahead and drag that like so. I'm going to add in a, let's say, -20. Now, last thing you can do is sometimes the vignetting can darken your overall photo. So what you can do is combat that by increasing your overall exposure. So I'm going to go to the exposure slider here and just brighten that like so. So as you can see, this particular effect works really well, especially if you apply it to an urban portrait style photo or an urban landscape photo. Here is the before, and here is the after. And write it down in the comments below if this effect worked for you.